How to add social media icons to your Shopify footer. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how it's done. So we're just going to begin by clicking on Edit Theme. From here, for Horizon theme, it's very simple, and you would want to also check this even if you have another theme, because it could possibly be the option for you as well. So in this case, we simply just want to click on the footer itself. Actually, no, go back, just click on the arrow right next to the footer and just click on Add Block. Once you do that, you should be able to find, if you scroll down a little bit, social media links. So just go and click on this one. Once that's done, you simply just want to click on it right away. And now you have the list of all the different social media that you actually would want to add. So Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. So we can simply just go ahead and add our links. So we can just do facebook.com, hit enter, and it's going to be added, as you can see. Same goes for Instagram here. And really, it's just going to be the same for all of them. So obviously, you would want to add your own URL so people can actually click on it and they will be able to actually, visit your page. So it's just going to be the same for every single one of them. So once you add all of these, you're pretty much good to go. You can actually see that we have the social media icons in the footer. So we simply just want to click on save from the top right corner. Now, what else we can do is actually just move it around. So if you want it to be in the middle, you would want to just move it down there. If you want it to be extreme to the right, you just want to make it at the bottom. So that's how you do it. And obviously we can preview it and see that these are going to be clickable as well. Now, the utilities is also going to include it, so just be sure to, hide one or the other. It doesn't really matter. Now, let's say that you don't actually have this option right here, or at least you do, but you're not going to be able to add them from this section. In that case, usually, from what I remember, is if you go to theme settings here, you should be able to find socials or social media. From here, you should be able to just click on that and add the different URLs that you have for social media, and then you're just going to follow the same steps in the footer. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.